The world was once a peaceful place, a blue and green oasis in the vast emptiness of space. But one day, everything changed. A meteorite appeared in the distance, hurtling towards Earth at an incredible speed. As the meteorite gets closer, it becomes clear that it is massive, and the impact will be catastrophic. The meteorite collides with Earth, causing a massive explosion that can be seen from space. The aftermath of the impact is devastating. The world is unrecognizable, with massive craters and fires burning everywhere. The survivors are left to pick up the pieces and try to rebuild, but the world will never be the same again. The end of the world came suddenly and without warning. We can only hope that we learn from our mistakes and prevent it from happening again. Thank you for watching this simulation of a meteorite colliding with Earth. Let's hope it never becomes a reality.